So these are the tools required to change the new high performance sweep. You're going to need a chisel to pry the old sweep down off there. Once the old sweep's off, we're going to put a couple of dabs of caulking on the ends of the new sweep, push it up into place. So that's the only tools required for doing this job. So this video we're going to show you how to change the sweep on the new high performance sill door. You're going to open your door. You'll see there are two sweeps at the bottom of the door here. On an inswing, there's a bulb seal and a fin seal. For outswing doors, there will only be a fin seal to the outside. There'll be no bulb seal. So you're going to start at the end of the sweep, right in here with a chisel. Pry down on that with the chisel, and then this sweep will pull right out just like so. Okay, that's how you remove the sweep. So we're going to put the new sweep on, because when these come from the factory, they have two small staples up in them holding them on there, but we can't do that in the field. So we're just going to apply a good amount of clear silicone to each end of that sweep. That'll help hold that up in there once the silicone sets up. Going to make sure you have this in the right direction. On an inswing, this fin comes back towards the inside towards you. Going to open the door and find the spot. There's a saw kerf that sweep goes up into. Push it up in all the way across. Make sure it's seated good all the way across. Not sticking out too far on the end. And if there's any silicone squeezes out, just clean that off. That's how you change the sweep. The outer sweep would be the same way. It's just a fin seal. Put your chisel in, pry downward on it. It'll come right out. Just like so. That's how you remove the outer sweep. And we're replacing the outer sweep. Wherever you're going to want to silicone the ends of it to help hold that up into place. Fin comes towards you again. Find that slot, line it up with the end of the slab, push that back up into place. That's how you replace the outer sweep. So on an in-swing door, you have a bulb seal to the inside, fin to the outside. On an outswing, there's only one seal, and it's a fin to the outside.